Chacha, my next question has to do with legal education in the country. In the past, we only had Legon and Tech to offer LLB degrees. So the existing facility could accommodate them to do the professional law degree. But now we know that JIMPA is offering a LLB degree program. Cape Coast is doing the same, and other universities are offering LLB degrees courses. But we have not done much to expand the facilities at the professional level. Will you consider pushing for those universities to offer the professional courses? Apart from that, what would be your suggestion to reform legal education in Ghana?
That's I'm very grateful, and I recognize that the honorable member is very passionate about legal education. And in my appearance before the committee in 2017, I think the honorable member asked a question on the same lines, and he's taken to his passion. I think he wants to be a law student, and I'll be interested in taking one as a pupil at the appropriate time. That's one. I think law education, legal education has come a long way. Prior to 2015, the legal education was just, professional legal education was just run on the lines of it was structured in this way, a 2-year course with 12 courses spread over the 2 years. Then in 2015, there was the introduction of entrance, examination, and interviews. In 2018, pursuant to the professional law course regulations, the interview aspect of it was removed, but of course, the examination was preserved. Then there was an attempted restructuring of the course to be on these lines. 1 year professional law course conducted in the classroom, and another 1 year conducted outside. Conducted outside in the sense that there will be pupillage of 6 months in a legal department, firm, or the judicial service. By 2020, the General Legal Council has scrapped that arrangement too. But, Mr. Chairman, it is important to say that all these measures were taken in the interest of boosting the quality of practitioners or quality of products that come out of the law school. And I'm also happy to say that there has been a dramatic proposed change in the structure of the law program. So there has been enacted, there's been drafted a proposed amendment to the Legal Profession Act, because that the change will require an amendment not just to regulations, but this one to the Act itself, Act 32 of 1960. So as to permit the professional law course from being run by the various faculties which undertake the LLB, that's the Bachelor of Laws program. And I think this represents a very bold initiative, and which will go a long way to expanding access to law school. Over the years, I have always heard the view that the difficulty in having access to law school was occasioned by the disconnect between the manner of regulation of the LLB program and the manner of regulation of the professional law course. Whereas the LLB program was regulated by the accreditation board, National Accreditation Board, the professional law course was run and regulated by the General Legal Council. So you find a situation where there will be in existence many faculties, Cape Coast, Kumasi, and Accra, many of them, and some even Kumasi having campuses in Mampong, what have you, running LLB programs. And eventually, over 1,000 students will be unleashed onto the scene every year. The General Legal Council will still maintain its grip over the professional law course and have only these three campuses, Legon, the old Mapala campus, as well as Kumasi. Of course, there was a limitation in infrastructure. So part of the means to also boosting the fiscal access is to ensure a completion of this Law Village project, which has been earmarked and I think it's supposed to be around Legon or Pesek, for a long time. So, Mr. Chairman, I think that an amendment of the the Law Profession Act, the Legal Profession Act, will actually lead to a resolution of the long-standing problem of access to law school. And I'm happy to say that there's a draft bill. I believe that if this Honorable House, by the grace of God, approves of my nomination, I will help in ensuring a swift passage of the law, and will also, apart from that, ensure a completion of the Law Village project. And that will really resolve all the problems, including your giving vent to your desire to be a lawyer.